would say good morning, but it's afternoon already, and it's not Wednesday, it's Thursday. But hey, we're just looking forward to talking to you guys today. I'm Barbara from Sewing and Vacuum Authority, and this is Charlie with me today. Linda is out for a few weeks, so she'll be back soon. We're missing her, that's for sure.
Yeah, because I'm in your video.
Now, Charlie, she didn't really want to do this, but I talked her into it. So, but anyway, we wanted to talk to you. We've got several things going on. Charlie, why don't you tell them about the sewing machine specials?
We have lots and lots and lots of sewing machine specials right now on every brand that there is. There's great deals on Bernina, on Brother. So come on in if you need a new machine. This is a great time to do it. Great pricing, great deals.
Yeah, and it's getting close to the end of the month, so you know, come on in and take advantage of it. This is National Quilting Month. So,
or Embroidery Month.
Embroidery Month. Yeah, it's hard to keep all these months straightened out. So anyway, and then coming up on April 1st, we're going to have a collage quilt. And right here we have the elephant in the collage quilt, and all blinged up. It's got all kind of little rhinestones all over it. But it's a great class, and it's fun to do. And if you're interested in doing collage quilts, it's a great time to come in and work with us on that. But if you do have some prep work. So if you are coming to the class, make sure you talk to me before next Monday, because you need to fussy cut some flowers out with some Stevenson too.
And just go on our website and sign up for the class.
That's right. All of our classes are on our website, and we've got lots of stuff coming up. On April the 12th and 13th, here at Westport on the 12th, we're going to have Claudia Lash here. And she just is amazing. She has so many beautiful, beautiful patterns. And we're going to do the Ferris wheel pattern. And it is so cute.
Pretty flower. It's really nice.
Yeah, I think I left the brochure on the table. But anyway, it's there's one right there, Charlie. Yeah, I'll grab one there. And then over at Clarksville, they're going to do one called Popping Out on the 13th. So if you want something new and exciting and learn a lot of technique, it's involved in all those things. So make sure that you sign up and come on and join us for those classes. There is a limited availability for the classes, so go ahead and come on, sign up, come join us. It'll be fun. And then we got Paducah Week coming up on the 24th through the 27th. You want to make sure that you stop by the Bernina booth, which is what we will be heading up for you. And then what you got there?
The Block of the Month class. My Block of the Month class is on April the 9th. We are going to be working on block number 3. So we're excited and ready for that one. Biannie Club is the 3rd Tuesday of every month, so that will be Tuesday the 16th. You can bring any project and I will help you work on it, or we can start with Biannie Basics and work through all of her free patterns.
Yes, and then the day before the club, your club, the Block of the Month club, whatever you call it. It's
Block of the Month.
Yeah, it's keeping up with all these names. Sometimes interesting. So anyway, the day before that, I'm going to have embroidery club that day. So we are going to be doing some monograms, and we're also going to be doing some placemats.
Oh, fun.
So that'll be a lot of fun. And then
we also have a bunch of new fabric in and a whole bunch of new panels. You should come in and see those too.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
Cute panels.
That one pattern that just came in was just to die for. I mean, I think I gotta have some of that. So,
new fabric.
Yeah, that's just what I need, some new fabric. Well, you know, the thing about it, none of us need anything. It's a matter of we want it. You know, it's like an addiction. You know, you gotta have more fabric. And the new stuff comes in, you don't want to pass it by if it's there, golly. So I'm just gonna get rid of some of the old stuff that I know I'm not gonna ever use again. So
sure,
yeah. Listen to you, Charlie. You know me too well. She's been in my sewing room. She's seen the mess that it is. I look like I have my own store there. So, coming up in May, we have this table runner. Debbie Deason is going to be teaching this. She's a certified Judy Niemeyer instructor. And this is one of her patterns. And if you're interested in the class, you can sign up online and let us know if you need a pattern. We'll be glad to order all the patterns for you. In fact, we're going to put an order in for a few anyway, just for those who might want to take this class. But it's going to have a lot of different technique in it, so you'll definitely want to be looking at that and thinking about coming to that class too. Also, and that's a 2-day class, one May 18th and the other one is April 20th. So let us know any way we can help you out with that class. Also, we have Kim Fong, who is coming in on May 25th and July 24th. And Kim is going to be teaching long arm technique. One of the classes is going to be how do you decide what you're going to quilt, and it can be for a long arm or for a sit down one needle machine. And it's going to be how do you decide what patterns are you going to put where on your quilt that you just got through piecing the top to. And so it's going to be a very informative. You don't need your machines. You do need to bring some paper and pencil to take notes. And then the next class is going to be like long arm quilting 101, and it's going to be some hands-on with the long arm machine and how to use it. Now and this is not with automation. This is free arm, free. And she's going to use some rulers, and she's going to do free motion quilting for you, and you're going to be able to try that out too.
We are really lucky to have Kim coming here. She was the best of the show at Kentucky State Fair this past year for her quilting. She's really good. She's amazing. Her stuff is fabulous. We're really lucky that she has decided to come and help us out.
I'm just so thrilled.
And teach us.
I know. I'm going to take the class myself. What are you talking about?
Me too.
But she is absolutely, she's got so many award-winning quilts. She has run ribbons in different shows, and she's just amazing. And she's sweet as she can be. And
She just got a ribbon in the last AQS show too.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, she did. So she's an award winner, and we're really lucky to have her.
Yeah, we're thrilled that she's going to be joining us. And we're thrilled that you guys are joining us today. And remember, always take time every day to sew something. And we'll see you guys later, hopefully in the store. Come by, see us. Take care, and we'll see you later. Bye-bye. Thank you very much. Good job, Charlie. Good job.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
When I had Linda, she said it was share, so yours doesn't have share on it.
Well, we checked the answering machine, and we don't make anything on that. We bring it, it gets put together, which is nice, so you don't have